streams and creeks flowing through the heart of communities in scenic Santa Clara County, urban life and nature intersect in unexpected places.
There are a lot of folks when we're out walking the creek doing surveys, they come up and they say, "Are there even fish in here?"
The fish in these waterways are some of California's most iconic species, but they've experienced changes to their environment over time. To protect and restore threatened fish populations, Valley Water created FACE, the Fish and Aquatic Habitat Collaborative Effort. This extensive effort, spanning 3 watersheds, focuses on balancing environmental and water supply needs with an emphasis on improving fish habitat and passage for migration. This is a culmination of years of collaboration with regulatory and environmental partners.
The FACE program focuses on 2 species primarily, the federally threatened Central California coast steelhead and the fall run Chinook salmon. Doing stream restoration projects really does help the environment by taking it back to what it naturally should be and providing the habitat that these fish can use for all life stages.
These remarkable fish hatch in these waterways, spend at least a year maturing, then embark on a perilous journey through San Francisco Bay into the Pacific Ocean, returning years later to lay their eggs.
This is an urban environment. That is a challenge for those fish, and I think it makes them all the more robust and all the more incredible.
Biologists monitor water temperature and depth to ensure fish can pass through even the shallowest areas. Fish are tagged as juveniles and tracked during their migration. Their progress is monitored and celebrated.
They're an amazing species, and it's just great to know that the work you're doing is really making a difference and you're seeing improvements.
In all, Valley Water has completed more than 20 habitat restoration projects. From removing a challenging crossing at this site to installing features such as boulders and gravel to benefit habitat, making it easier for salmon and steelhead to swim upstream while giving them more places to live. Valley Water staff monitor reservoir levels and releases to the creek to support fish life cycles. In winter, water releases help fish migrate back from the ocean to spawn. In summer, regulating flow releases nurtures young fish.
We make releases from the reservoirs that are going to be used for both the water supply needs of the county as well as for the fish and aquatic habitat.
Valley Water will also learn from the data collected from the FACE implementation and monitoring and make any changes to help improve the environment. It's a delicate balance, part of Valley Water's commitment to ensuring communities, the environment, and our native fish can thrive together.
Environmental stewardship is a mission of Valley Water, and you can tell that from the teams that we've established and the work that we've done in this watershed.